Hello and welcome to our channel Nuturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Different foods decrease LDL cholesterol in various methods. Some supply soluble fiber which binds cholesterol and its precursors within the digestive system and drags them out of the body before they get into the move. Some provide you with polyunsaturated fats which without delay decrease LDL, and a few contain plant sterols and stanols which block the frame from soaking up cholesterols. Oats. An easy first step to reducing your LDL cholesterol is having a bowl of oatmeal or cold oat-based totally cereal like Cheerios for breakfast. It offers you 1 to 2 grams of soluble fiber. Add a banana or a few strawberries for any other half of gram. Current vitamin hints propose getting 20 to 35 grams of fiber in afternoon with as a minimum 5 to 10 grams coming from soluble fiber. Whole grains like oats and oat bran, barley and different whole grain can assist lower the threat of heart sickness mainly through the soluble fiber they supply. Beans. Beans aren't particularly wealthy in soluble fiber. They also take some time for the body to digest, which means you experience full for longer after a meal. That's one motive. Beans are a beneficial meal for parents looking to shed pounds. With such a lot of choices from military and kidney beans to lentils, garbanzos, black-eyed peas and past and so many ways to prepare them. Beans are a very versatile meal. Eggplant and okra. These two low-calorie vegetables are proper acid of soluble fibers. Nuts. A bushel of research shows that ingesting almonds, walnuts, peanuts and other nuts is ideal for coronary health. Eating 2 ounces of nuts an afternoon can barely lower LDL on the order of 5. Nuts have additional nutrients that guard the heart in different approaches. All nuts are rich in protein, vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium and include natural plant sterols and different plant vitamins which help preserve your body wholesome and stave off ailment. Vegetable oil. Using liquid vegetable oil inclusive of canola, sunflower, and others in place of butter, lard or shortening while cooking or on the desk help lower LDL. Apples, grapes, strawberries, citrus, and result. These end results are wealthy in pectin, a kind of soluble fiber that lowers LDL. Foods fortified with sterols and stanols. Sterols and stanols extracted from vegetation gum up the firm's ability to absorb LDL cholesterol from food. Companies are adding them to food ranging from margarine and granola bars to orange juice and chocolates. They are additionally available as supplements. Getting 2 grams of plant sterols or stanols a day can decrease LDL cholesterol by approximately 10%. Soya. Eating soybean and foods crafted from them like tofu and soya milk turn into as soon as touted as a powerful manner to lower LDL cholesterol. Analysis display that the effect is greater modest ingesting 25 grams of soya protein an afternoon of tofu or 2.5 cup can lower LDL through 5 to 6%. Fatty fish. Eating fish or 3 instances every week can lower LDL in 2 approaches. By means of replacing meat which has LDL boosting saturated fat and by turning in LDL decreasing omega-3 fats. Omega-3s lessens triglycerides inside the bloodstream and also guard the coronary heart through helping prevent the onset of extraordinary heart rhythm. Fiber dietary supplements. Supplements provide the least appealing manner to get soluble fiber. 2 teaspoons an afternoon of psyllium that's determined in metamucil and other bulk-forming laxatives provide approximately 4 grams of soluble fiber. Salmon, sable fish. Sable fish, additionally referred to as black cod, hails from the deep waters of the North Pacific. Its fur-given pearly white buttery flesh and texture similar to that of halibut. Like salmon, it's wealthy in omega-3s, while wild sable fish from waters of the Alaskan coast are a sustainable seafood choice too. Black lentils. Black lentils, occasionally known as beluga lentils due to beluga caviar they resemble, are less earthy tasting than maximum other lentils. You will get about 12 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber in a half of cup cooked. They also have anthocyanins, antioxidants, which can be also in dark berries. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are blessed with a toothsome, nutty flavor like that of pine nut. They have extra protein than many seeds, approximately 10 grams in 3 tablespoons. Green tea, matcha tea. Green tea is an outstanding supply of antioxidant referred to catechins, which improve blood stress and LDL cholesterol numbers. Matcha includes the entire tea leaf flowed into very fine powder which you drank. It could have 137 instances the quantity of an antioxidant called egg in the conventional inexperienced tea. University of Colorado researchers found banana plantain. Popular in Latin America and Asian cuisine, the plantain is a massive brother to the banana. It's rich in diet A, vitamin B6, diet C, and potassium. Our heart muscle must require potassium to hold it beating strongly. Stritchfield says, whole wheat pasta, soba noodles. These nutty tasting Japanese noodles are made from buckwheat, an entire grain rich in vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and an antioxidant called rutin. Despite its name, buckwheat is not associated with wheat and is gluten unfastened. Still, in case you are on the gluten unfastened diet, test the element using listing, considering the fact that some soba noodles are made with a combination of foods. Putting collectively a low cholesterol food regime. When it comes to making an investment money, specialists recommend growing a portfolio of diverse investments instead of setting all your eggs in a single basket. The equal holds actual for consuming your way to decrease LDL cholesterol. Adding numerous ingredients to decrease cholesterol in unique approaches ought to work better than specializing in one or two. In large part, vegetarian nutritional portfolio of cholesterol decreasing ingredients notably lowers LDL, triglycerides, and blood stress. The key dietary components are a lot of fruits and vegetables, entire grains instead of particularly delicate ones, and protein ordinarily from plants. Add margarine enriched with plant sterols, oats, barley, psyllium, okra, and eggplant, all rich in soluble fiber, soya protein, and complete almonds. Of path, shifting to a LDL cholesterol reducing weight reduction plan takes more interest than popping a daily station. It means expanding the kind of meals you normally install your buying cart and being used to a new texture and flavor. But it is a herbal way to lower LDL cholesterol, and it avoids the risk of muscle problems and other facet results that plague some folks who take statins. Just an essential, a diet that is heavy on fruits, veggies, beans, and nuts are ideal for the frame in ways past lowering LDL cholesterol. It continues bloodstream intake a look at. It facilitates arteries stay flexible and responsive. It's desirable for bones and digestive health, for vision and intellectual health. Getting the entire gain of those meals require other changes on your weight reduction plan and lifestyle. One of the maximum beneficial changes is restricting the saturated and trans fat you consume. Saturated fat, which includes the ones in meat, butter, cheese, and other full fat dairy products, raise your overall LDL cholesterol. Decreasing your intake of saturated fat to less than 7% of your total everyday calorie consumption can reduce your LDL cholesterol by V of 8 to 10%. Trans fat, every so often indexed on food labels as partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, are frequently used in margarine and safe-offered cookies, crackers, and desserts. Trans food boosts average level of cholesterol. The Food and Drug Administration has banned using partly hydrogenated vegetable oils via Jan 1, 2012.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.